In the most demanding environments where reliability is non-negotiable, one name stands out for power and signal connectors: the SP Max, developed by Positronic. SP Max connectors utilize a precision machined shell for rugged environments, offering EMI and RFI protection and performance compatibility to EN 4165 and DO 160 standards. Featuring a variety of contact sizes, including size 12, size 16, size 18, and size 22, SP Max connectors provide high conductivity and low contact resistance, ensuring reliable power and signal management in 3 shell sizes. These connectors include liquid crystal polymer insulators, rated up to 35 amps per contact and 30 degrees Celsius temperature rise, and are designed to operate in temperatures ranging from -55 degrees Celsius to 175 degrees Celsius. Multiple contact termination options, customizable contact positioning, and a variety of hardware options make SP Max connectors the perfect choice for versatility and reliability in challenging scenarios. With approved voltage of up to 2200 volts and a working voltage of up to 600 volts, SP Max connectors are specifically designed to withstand the harshest conditions, and their integral blind mating allows the SP Max to connect effortlessly in confined spaces, making them ideal for military, space, satellite, and commercial air applications. From power and signal input-output to battery and solar power distribution, SP Max connectors excel in a wide range of applications, including ground-based, air and space transport, and operation in rugged environments. When certainty is essential, trust SP Max connectors for your power and signal management needs. And trust Positronic to deliver the science of certainty.